What do you think about a robot? Would you ever buy a robot for your home?
Yes. What will it do?
I'll be a companion, a friend.
Oh yeah, I mean, I would like to start replacing friends and family with robots immediately.
Okay.
I mean, truly, truly. I
Uh,
mean, I'm not even kidding. Like, I would like to have a Thanksgiving with 4 robots. I'm dead serious.
well,
Are
let me.
they into QAnon? Like, are the robots? When do the robots start going crazy? That's my question. Is like, how long do the robots live with me before they are also a problem, and I got to replace them? You know what I mean?
You're gonna indoctrinate the
Yeah,
robots.
is the robot's gonna call me like my aunt does and talk about coronavirus for an hour every morning and tell me everyone in America who's died of coronavirus?
One of the things I enjoy in life is how terrified uh, people like you, like I'm
Yes.
a huge fan, by the way, get of, of robots.
Well, I'm concerned about AI like completely getting rid of the need for human beings because human beings, I mean, you go out in the street and you go, so few of these people are necessary. Even now you look at people and you go, they're hanging on by a thread, right?
Yeah.
And you could just imagine how many jobs are going to get replaced, how many industries are going to be completely remade with AI, and the pace of change worries me a little bit because we do a very bad job in this country of mitigation when we have problems. We don't do a great job. We did a not great job with COVID, right? We don't do a good job. It's just something we don't do well. We're good in booms and busts. We're good when it's good, and we kind of know how to kind of like, hey, we're bottomed out. We're like a gambling addict in this country. We know what it feels like to be outside of an OTB at 9 a.m. drinking coffee and smoking cigarettes, going,
Yeah.
I'm going to build it back, and we know what it's like to win. But anything in between, it seems not that great. So to me, it feels like, are we going to be able to like help people that are displaced and that have their jobs taken by? I mean, do you not fear sort of a world where you have a lot of artificial intelligence replacing workers, and then what happens?
There's a lot of fears around artificial intelligence. One of them is, yes, displacement of jobs, workers. That's technology in general. That's just any kind of new innovations displace jobs. I'm less worried about that. I'm more worried about other impacts of artificial intelligence. For example, the nature of our discourse, like the effects of algorithms on the way we communicate with each other, the spread of information, what that information looks like, the creation of silos, all that kind of stuff. I think that would just make worse the effects that the displacement of jobs has. I think ultimately, I have a hope that technology creates more opportunities than it destroys.
I hope so too.
And so, in that sense, AI to me is an exciting possibility. But, you know,